So this is a trade that I've taken with the strategy that I'm about to show you. This is a sell on gold, and I took this sell right here. I'll put the results on the screen. I'm just waiting for either stop loss hit or TP hit, and then we continue the video. So TP1 is here, TP2 is obviously around this place, okay? So I will explain everything, how I came by with this lines, this up, down, this lines right here. But I just want to let this trade play out, and we continue the video, guys. So subscribe to the channel, comment if you have any question, and like the video. Alright guys, so the live trade hit take profit 1 here, and push down to hit take profit 2, and actually push down a little. I'm expecting more sales. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to do this, how to use this strategy to trade. Okay, I'm gonna break everything down for you guys, and I'll put the result of this trade, this gold trade on the screen for you guys to know that yes, I really took the trade. Okay, so as you can see, I documented the process of taking the trade. I mean the analysis, and now it played out right here. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to do this. All I want you to do is just subscribe to the channel, comment if you have any question. So now let's start a video, and let me show you what to look out for. That is, this trade is taking during the landing session. My landing session, I'm making like to start from 7 to 4. That is what I want my landing session to be like. Some people use 8, some people use 8 to 5, but me, I've pushed mine to 7 o'clock to 4 o'clock, 7 a.m. to 4 a.m. Then I'm done trading. You can see this box right here. You can see that's the little black box right here is the landing session box, and it is in that box that I used to take my trades. Okay, so now you can see this one too. During the landing session, price drop. So during landing session, gold price drops a lot. Today too, I'm expecting more sales, and I'll be analyzing this one. Today too. This is today. That is Tuesday, and this is yesterday, Monday. Okay, I'll be analyzing gold now and take the sell from here because I'm expecting more sales. All right. So now let me just hit to it and show you guys what to look for if you are trading with this strategy that I'm about to show you. Earlier on, I said I'll be looking for more sales from here to the downside, and the sell actually happened. That was on 30th. Okay, the sell happened 30th, and we caught this sell also. I'll put the results on the screen as well. This is the sell. So now let's see how we came by with this sell. Then we come here, the other one, then we go through the other one. All right. So with this one, what I was expecting was during the day, woke up in the morning, and I have a full video, complete video this strategy on the channel. I'll put the link in the description. You can go check them out. I'm just gonna take you through how I came by with this trade. All right. So we had a sweep at the top here. Okay, that is buy side liquidity at the top here. Price take the high here. We're expecting for more sell already. So we have this place to be the daily high of that particular day. That is the trading day. So let me indicate this one. This is the daily high. This is the daily high. Okay. All right. So this was the daily high of that particular trading day. All right. So this also was the 1 a.m. high. All right. This was the 1 a.m. high. Let me indicate 1 a.m. high. Okay. So this was the 1 a.m. high also. You get it? This is the 1 a.m. high. This is the 1 a.m. low. All right. And during that day, this was the 5 a.m. low. Okay. This is the 5 a.m. low. All right. So the high should be somewhere around here. It should be somewhere around here. Yeah, the high is here. Okay. The 5 a.m. high is somewhere here. All right. So let me indicate this one, the 5 a.m. high. Okay, so during that time, I was expecting a sweep in the 1 a.m. All right, so in the 15 minutes, you can see in the 15 minutes, let's go here. All right, so in the 15 minutes, what I saw was during the landing session, Asian time, price consolidated a little. All right, push up. But before then, you need to know the market structure. All right, you need to follow the market structure. What was the structure of the market? We are in a bearish move. Okay, price was creating lower highs and lower lows. We are in a downtrend. As you can see, price is in a downtrend from here to the downside. Okay, so first of all, you need to know the structure of the market, what the market is doing before you trade in the direction of it. So we're already in the downtrend. That is the structure of the market. You can't trade, ignoring the structure. If not, you'll be trading against the trend or whatever. If I'm to take a buy, then I want to see price change character around here, started pushing to the upside before I'll be looking for buy. But now, because the structure was bearish, I was looking for sell trade, right? So we had this 5 a.m. high here. This was the 1 a.m. high, right? So during the Asian time, that is where we saw price consolidating around this place. Asian time, we saw price consolidating around here. Let me take this one out from there. So we had this consolidation at the top here. So during the landing, that is this gray box right here. That is the landing. We have price push down, came up and sweep the 1 a.m. high. Okay, so this was an indication for me that price wants to drop from there to the downside. All right, so I took my first entry when price came up here. That was when I took my first entry. Since the sweep has already happened, there's no way price is gonna come there again. All right, if price comes there again, that will be a loss trade. That means the setup is invalid. Okay, and we saw price push straight to the downside. So that was the reason why I took the sell around here. So my TP1 was here at first, as I talk about in the video that my TP1 is here, and that is 1:1.2. My TP2 was here 1:1.3 or 4. All right, so my TP2 was here. The same thing. You saw price push down straight up, break and retest and gather energy at the 1 a.m. low and push to the downside. You can see that was a perfect trade. This trade got me past my profit account. That is my fundedness account. And that was it. All right, so now let's move to the Wednesday trade. That is the previous day. So the next day price was consolidating. We didn't cut this trade. I didn't catch a trade around here because I was having this consolidation around here. I don't want to stack in a trade where price will be consolidating. All right, but you can see this is the buy side liquidity taking at the top here. That is the that is the landing session. Price take this high here. You can see at the top here. All right, so this is an indication that price actually wants to drop from there. When we saw this buy side, buy side. All right, so this was indication to us that price want to reverse after we saw this sweep here. Okay, so the same approach, the same principle. We have the daily high. That is the daily high. We have this place to be the daily high at the time of us trading, the time we're trading, and this is the 5 a.m. low. So this also 5 a.m. low, 5 a.m. low, and this was the 1 a.m. high. You get it, 1 a.m. high on the 1 hour time frame. This is the 1 a.m. low. Right, sorry, this is the 5 a.m. high. This is the 5 a.m. high. So this was the 1 a.m. This is the 1 a.m. high and low. 1 a.m. high. And this is the 1 a.m. low. 1 a.m. low. Sorry. This is the 1 a.m. low. 1 a.m. low. Alright, so we had everything we needed marked out on the chart. And initially, this was where I took my first sell. Around here. And as price dropped to the downside, came back again, I saw this head and shoulder pattern around here. Okay, so this was the head. We have this shoulder. We have this shoulder around here. Okay, so this was the head and shoulder pattern that I saw. So I saw this to be opportunity for me to add more entry. I added another entry at this place also. So let me change this one to I took another sell. So this was the first sell trade right here. Stop loss was just above here. My second trade entry was here. Stop loss was also above at the top there. The top here, okay? And you can see how price did straight drop to the downside. My TP was somewhere around here. The second trade now was here. It was under this low, this overall low. The TP was under this overall low here. That was where my TP was. The second trade, the TP was here. The second trade, the TP was here, and you can see how price did. So this is how to analyze and trade with this strategy. That is the 1 a.m., the 5 a.m. strategy, whatever. All right. So I hope you understand this video, and this got me past my profit account. If you want to know, if you want more, education on this one, you can watch. I'll put the link of that video in the description where I talk about the candles you need, everything deep into details. All right. Subscribe to the channel. That is what I want you to do. So comment if you have any question, like the video.